Here we have the Cosori Iconic Stainless Steel PFAS free, which I hear is a really big deal, 6.5 quart smart air fryer. They package this thing up like it's something special, because I think it is. It's a very high-end air fryer. Look at this, look how they package that. So this is the air fryer itself. This is a full stainless steel structured air fryer. Now look at this. That is nice. Fully dishwasher safe. And this is definitely something unique. It'll look good on your counter. We are going to cook with this. This comes with an app. It comes with this guide. It does come with a 5-year warranty. Let's look at some stuff here. So we have our owner's manual. And we also have a cookbook, which is pretty neat. Also has an app, like I said. So let's open this thing up. It's got a button here. And that's the inside. So we'll remove this. Like, this is stainless steel interior here. PFAS free. Ceramic coating inside, dishwasher safe. So I'm very excited about that. I despise things that are not dishwasher safe. So we'll put this in here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this thing up. I'm gonna cook some mozzarella sticks. So have the mozzarella sticks arranged in here. I'm gonna put this in. It turns on automatically. And then we have our different options. We have air fry, we have roast, we have bake, dry, proof, that'd be for bread, and reheat. I'm gonna use my favorite setting, which is air fry. I'm gonna set it to 375, and I'm gonna use the timer here. So I'm gonna do it for 4 minutes, and we're gonna hit start. It does have some quick recommended settings up here, you know, if you just wanna get used to it, which is pretty nice. You can pull this off, this is just a sticker. There's a shake setting that reminds you to shake it. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna turn that on. It's telling me to shake it. So we already ate some of the mozzarella sticks, but yeah, it works. It's an air fryer. This is definitely a higher end air fryer. It does say that the outside gets hot. I don't feel like it gets hot. It's a little warm, but not too bad. PFAS free, dishwasher safe, 5-year warranty, stainless steel. It looks really good on the counter. That's what it looks like on the counter. So it's not the smallest. It's also not the biggest air fryer. All right, so this is the Cosori 6.5 quart stainless steel air fryer. There you have it.